Okay, so this is going to be the second part of the retouching edits. So if you haven't already, go back and make sure you do the banana edit, and then this one will be the next one. So this one, we are going to be doing the cat. So we're going to be putting some eyes on our cat. So if you go into Photopea, you can go ahead and click New Project, and then you can just write cat and then your name. And then instead of changing all of these, we are going to go down here where all these options are, click on photo, and you can find the 5x7 one, and it'll change everything there for you. And then you can click create. Here we go. So we're going to go and get our cat photo, which is on my website, which should be linked in Google Classroom. If you hover over photography and go down to editing, you should be able to see the photo. So if you scroll down a little bit, we just did the banana. So now we are going to do our cat. So you're going to right click copy image, go back into Photopea, click edit, and then paste. Here we are. We need to make this bigger, so we're going to click edit, free transform, and I'm going to just stretch this out. Here we go. Once you stretch it out, just click enter, and now it's there. So you're going to again have to zoom in and out for this one. So it's Control plus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom out. So we're going to be focusing mostly on the cat's face area. Okay. And if you want to move around while you're zoomed in, if you go this way, it's going to move your actual image. Let me just put that back. Okay. So instead, if you click Control plus, if you hold down the space bar, your mouse turns into this little Mickey Mouse hand, and you can click and drag, and it won't move your picture. It'll just kind of maneuver your way around. So that's the easiest way. So space bar, click and drag. Okay, for this one, we are using the clone tool. So this is going to be a pretty simple one. So I really want to show you how to get this clone tool up and running. So the clone tool looks like, okay, let's see where it is. It's not there. Okay, this could be different for everybody, but my clone tool, if I click and hold on this brush, it is down here. Yours might just be on the toolbar somewhere. If it is, this is the little emoji that it is. It looks like a stamp. So if you see that somewhere over here, you can click it. If not, it's probably in the same spot that mine is. And here you go. Okay, so for the clone tool, this is how this works. This is again a little bit of a small brush, so if you want to change the size, you can click the bracket keys, which is next to the P on the keyboard. I'll leave it about this size, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so you want to be pretty close, but not too close. So the clone tool, how you're going to work with this clone tool, you're going to hold down the Alt key, and then you'll see that the tool has this little cross with a circle in the middle. It's kind of like a target. So wherever you click, that's what's going to end up being cloned in a sense. So let's say I start working on this left eye. I click and hold my Alt key. I click right in the middle of this eye, right? And then I let go. So now whatever you, paint, that's what you're going to be painting. So watch. I'm starting to click and drag. You can see that there is a little plus sign, and wherever the plus sign goes is what is being copied. So also depending on how big your brush is that you're using for this, it will take more of the area or less. So I'm going kind of slow, and I'm just making sure that I get every area. So wherever my little plus sign goes, that's what's going to be copied. So I'm looking to the eye on the left. I'm not even looking at the one on top. I'm just copying the eye on the left. And there you go. You got 3 eyes. Again, if you mess up, just click Control Z and it'll go away. Mine looked fine, so I'm just going to step forward. There you go. That's all that's the only thing that I wanted to show you in this one. So if you want, I know you guys love things like this. So if you would like, You can do the same thing with his nose. You could do more eyes. Like if I wanted to put another eye, I guess I could. I could put one over here or over here. Let's see. So if I wanted to do this eye, I could just click and hold the Alt key, click in the middle, and then it'll copy this eye. There you go. So you could have like a million eyes if you wanted to. But you only have to do one. But if you would like to do more, go for it. And I mean, if you're finished, just make sure that you click File, Export As, and then JPG. And then once you're done, it zooms in. I don't know why. Click Save, and then it will. You can upload it to Google Classroom, and then you can move on to number 3.